Good evening, everyone. My name is Vihaan and I am going to learn alphabetical sound. Here we go. A, B, K, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, N,